PBfit powdered peanut butter versus the Great Value peanut butter. This is Walmart brand. Let's see how they compare in taste and nutrition. Now, if you're trying to diet, powdered peanut butter is a great option because it's lower in fat content, lower in calories, and can allow you to enjoy things that you would normally eat with peanut butter, but without all those extra calories. So for starters, the nutrition is almost identical: 60 calories, 2 grams of fat, 6 grams of carbs, and 8 grams of protein per a 2 tablespoon serving of the PBfit. On the other hand, the Walmart brand has 50 calories, 1.5 grams of fat, 4 grams of carbs, and 6 grams of protein per 2 tablespoon servings. So however they do it in this variation with the PBfit, it seems as if there is a little bit more nutrients, but there also is 10 more calories. So at the end of the day, it kind of is a wash. Now, the more important thing is the taste test. So I made a little concoction, basically with a little bit of water and each of these right here, and we will try them both. So the first one is going to be the PBfit. Got some on a spoon. Tastes pretty solid. If you've never had powdered peanut butter like this, it does taste similar to peanut butter, but there is just a little bit, a slightly grainy taste. And this is most likely due to the fat being taken out of the powdered peanut butter. I thought of a really good analogy. If you've ever had sunflower seeds, or if you ever just eaten peanuts, it tastes very similar to like a nut or a seed without all the extra stuff added to it, but in a slightly liquid form. That's the best way I can think about it. PBfit's pretty decent. Let's try the Walmart brand. Here we go. So I'll be completely honest, I did not expect this, but I actually liked the Walmart brand slightly better. And to be completely real, at the end of the day, I think they're both very similar. However, I would probably stick with the Walmart brand because it's way cheaper. And even if the PBfit one did taste a slightly bit better, difference in price point is well worth it for the Walmart brand. We'll leave links in the description so you can check out both of these, compare the prices, and maybe even try them both.